Hello, welcome back to my kitchen with me, Debbie. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Today, I'm gonna be making oven baked jerk salmon with a teriyaki pineapple glaze. So in the sink here, I have my salmon in some water with fresh lemon juice. Not long, because I don't want the lemon juice to pierce it. So it's just been in here for a bit. I'm going to remove the skin best I can. When you get to the thinner parts, the skin don't want to come off so easily. Like this tail part down here, I know I'm going to have some issues with getting off the skin. But I'm going to do the best I can. And then I come back and season the salmon. Okay, check it out, guys. I was able to remove the skin from my salmon. I did pretty good even at the tail part. I was surprised. So as you can see, there's a lot of water dripping here. So I'm going to clean up. I'm going to pat dry this a little bit before I sneeze it. Drain the water off out of the pan as well. There's too much water here. Okay. And the salmon piece seems to be a little longer than my pan, so I'm going to have to cut a piece. Let me dry the pan too. This is a big piece of salmon. There's 3 of us. If I know them, it's probably gone, but my hope is that tomorrow, Monday, I don't know what it is. I don't like to cook on Mondays. And even though I work from home, I work tomorrow. And so when I finish working at 4:30 tomorrow on a Monday, I don't want to cook. I don't know what it is. Okay, so let's cut this. Because it's a little longer than the pan. Okay. I'm gonna set this aside and then we're gonna mix the marinade, the jerk marinade. Okay, so I have a small bowl here. Got a couple small spoons, and I have my favorite jerk marinade here. This is mild. Couldn't find spicy. I don't know what's going on. I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons of jerk marinade in here. I'm going to add about a teaspoon of olive oil. It's about a half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Put about a teaspoon of smoked paprika. About a teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning. Teaspoon of black pepper. Maybe that's a pinch more than a teaspoon. It's not going too purge. And then I have Creole seasoning here. Teaspoon. I'm missing something. I put the garlic powder. Okay, onion powder. I don't want to. This is fish. I don't want to too much seasoning, you know. Oh, my garlic powder. I need a new garlic powder. It's like air got in there. I mean onion powder. So half a teaspoon of onion powder. Because it was mild seasoning and I wanted a little bit spicy, I'm going to, of course, add a little bit of my powdered scotch bonnet. I was going to chop up a scotch bonnet in there, but not today. So however you want to spice it. Red pepper flakes, cayenne pepper. That's perfectly fine. Let me get a pinch of salt. And instead of using my ground jerk seasoning, I'm just going to use a pinch of about a half a teaspoon of ground allspice. Now let's mix this up really well. I need a little bit of soy sauce. Okay, about a teaspoon and a half of soy sauce, and I always use low sodium soy sauce. Okay, let's get this back over here. I do want a little olive oil on the pan. I don't want my salmon to stick. Brush a little on top of the salmon itself also. And then I'm going to season both sides. Let me season the back first and then flip it back over. Okay, so I've seasoned the back. Let's flip it over, look at the top. My oven is preheated to 350. Okay, so I have this piece of foil paper that I coated with some oil. I'm gonna cover it. And we're going to put this in the oven and I'll see you back shortly. Okay guys, so in this little pan right here, I have about maybe 3 tablespoons of butter heating up. And these are some slices from pineapple. Mainly I need these for decoration purposes. I'm going to see if I can give them a little color. While we're doing that, I'm going to mix up the sauce for the teriyaki marinade. So in this cup, I'm adding about a cup of honey. Okay. Then I'm going to add about half a cup of my low sodium soy sauce. And the can that I took the pineapple slices from, 1/3 cup of the pineapple juice from that can. And let's mix this real good. Guys, our salmon is done. So what I did was I cooked it for 20 minutes with the lid on, with the foil paper on. Then I took the foil paper off and cook it for another 10 minutes without the foil paper on it. So that's the finished jerk salmon. Okay guys, so I am done with the pineapples. Now in the same pot over here, with whatever remaining butter is in there, the mixture here, which I'm going to also add a pinch of fresh ginger to. Let's get this in here. Still mixing up the honey. I'm going to come back when this starts thickening up. Okay guys, so the teriyaki glaze is completed. So I'm just going to put a little bit of this here on here. This is so simple, and you don't have to add the jerk marinade. You could just season it and bake it and make this pineapple teriyaki glaze. You don't even need the pineapple, just a little teriyaki glaze. There's options, you have options. Cooking is about creativity in your style. People like to argue too much about who does it right. So guys, this is my jerk teriyaki glaze salmon. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe, like, comment, share, and follow me so you can cook great dishes along with me for your family. God bless, and you have a wonderful day.